computing, information security, network security, cryptography, application security, security auditing, cyber forensics, mobile security, ethical hacking, and followed by the real-time applications. I have given 12 real-time applications that we have converted into major projects, and those are the 11 major projects and followed by the cyber security tools. So, so these 3 months I have enjoyed with you the syllabus I have explained, and for each topic I have explained the practical session. And according to your cyber siksha syllabus, they have given only 6 modules, and we have discussed again as 6 extra modules like Python programming, computer networks, cloud computing. We have explained extra. Then information security and mobile security. What is a prerequisite? Just today I will revise all the topics with one query and answer. How you can answer in the interview panel. So, prerequisition of cyber security. So first you need to say computer is an electronic device which takes input and processes it and it gives output. Computer understands only one binary language, that is called ones and zeros. If you press capital A, system cannot understand. Internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you are getting the binary equivalent number is 10001. So that's why, so computer is a prerequisition of networking. Networking is nothing but collection of interconnected autonomous computer in a network in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. Linking of computers or server or data centers is called networking. So if you want to become an ethical hacker, you must have networking skills are mandatory. Then operating system is a example for software. What is meant by software? Software is a collection of programs. Program is a collection of instructions. Instruction is nothing but set of rules and regulations. Operating system is a software and interaction between user and hardware. There are 2 types of operating systems: Windows-based operating systems and command-based operating systems. Windows-based operating systems are based on GUI-based operating systems such as Windows 10, Windows 14, Windows 18, Windows 16, etc. And command-based operating system, based on the commands only we are opening all the tabs and we are performing all the tasks based on the commands. Examples of command-based operating systems such as Unix, Linux flavors like Red Hat Linux, C Linux, Fedora Linux, and Ubuntu, and these are the flavors, Kali Linux, etc. And Unix is developed by Ken Thompson. Unix expansion is Uniflexed Information Computing System, and Unix extension is Linux. Linux expansion is look into new version of Unix, which is developed by Linus Torvalds. while playing, he is a 16-year-old boy. While playing internet games, he developed an operating system called Linux operating system. So then go to the program or software. So program is a collection of instructions. Instruction is nothing but set of rules and regulations. Software is a collection of programs. So example for software is operating system, antivirus software, etc. Then hardware. Hardware is a physical device which can be touchable, and then server is a physical device just like a computer with a high computing configuration. Servers may be an IBM Blade server, Google server, Facebook server, Microsoft server, etc. Then data center, collection of high computing servers at one place is called a data center. Google having their own data center, YouTube having their own data center, etc. Computer networks. So computer networks is nothing but collection of autonomous computers in a network in the fashion of local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network is called computer networks. It deals with the 7 layers called PDN, TSPA, physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Each layer having its own functionalities and responsibilities. Then followed by the cloud computing. Cloud computing is a internet-based technology. Cloud computing is a form of distributed computing. Cloud computing is pay and use. Cloud computing is on-demand computing with the formula called 543, 5 characteristics, 4 infrastructure models, 3 services, 5 characteristics like OBR square M. Now OBRs R cube MS. One more R stands for resilience and security, and O stands for on-demand computing, broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, resilience, and measured service, and finally security. 4 infrastructure models like P square HC, public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud, community cloud, and SPI, major services called software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Then comes to the mobile security. It is the protection of smartphones, and we are using various apps in mobile. How you are going to protect our apps in the mobile system? By installing security softwares. Then cyber security. Cyber security is a way of protecting programs, networks, computers, servers, data center against from the cyber attackers or cyber criminals or malicious attackers or any criminal persons. To protect computer systems against attacks is called cyber security. This is the prerequisite of cyber security. Then this is the what is the technical name of this image? Word cloud. Then measuring the data in cyber security. This is the way of measuring the data. So computer understands only binary language. If you press capital A, system cannot understand. That's why computer understands only binary language. If you see wherever data is there you can expect cyber security issue is there. 1 bit equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words equal to 1024 bytes. After that, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes, protobytes, geobytes, and infinity. So there are two ways of measuring the data, like normal range and big data range. So in mathematical representation, 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, 1 megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 1. Big data range, petabyte is 10 power 15, hexabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, protobyte is 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in cyber security. So then the first module what we have covered, introduction to cyber security. So far we have covered the topics like fundamentals of cyber security. So everybody knows cyber security is a way of protecting the networks, computers, servers, data center and other programs from the attacks of cyber criminals or malicious attacks or any other intruders. Cyber security consists of technologies, processes and controls designed to protect systems, networks, programs, devices and data from cyber attacks. So cyber threat evolution started in the 1977 with virus. Then 2007 and 18 organized crime data theft. So far so many viruses and threats they have identified with the latest cyber threat evolution called ransomware. It is a malware. Then what is the history of cyber security? So cyber security proper began in the year 1972. It came from ARPANET. ARPANET expansion is Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. It is located in USA and a precursor to the internet. Late in 1988, a man named called Robert Morris had an idea. He wanted to gauge the size of the internet. So Robert Morris became the first person successfully charged under the Computer Fraud and Abuse Act. Although this is ended happily for him, he is currently a tenured professor at MIT, USA. So these are the cyber security statistics in the year 2023. 6 cyber attacks reached 6 trillion US dollars so far. There is a cyber attack every 39 seconds. A ransomware attack happens every 15 seconds. These are the statistics. So global cybercrime damage by 2023. You can expect, say this is the statistics, 16.4 billion US dollars per day. Can you imagine such a huge damage? Then these are the top 10 most common passwords used in the worldwide. But better don't use such type of small passwords and easy passwords so that they will crack very easily. Who are cracking? Hackers, intruders, cyber attackers, cyber criminals, malicious attackers, etc. If we keep a password like password within 1 second, how many people they have how many people they kept the same password like 17 lakhs 14,646. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABC ABC 123, 123, WebT, India 123. See how simple they are keeping. Don't keep the anytime, anywhere such type of silly passwords. Then these are the top 10 biggest data breaches of all time. Like Foursquare, 200 million of people affected. What got leaked? The hackers has stolen names, address, candidates like US Vote, Adobe, eBay, Heartland, Target, and these are the top 10 biggest data breaches of all time record. Then cyber security is also known as information security or electronic information security. Okay. There are various types of cyber security like network security, application, information, operation security, disaster recovery and business continuity, and end user detection. Then what are the examples of cyber security? If you see, there are various examples of cyber security. There are many cyber security measures that organizations and individuals can implement to protect the systems, networks, and sensitive information from cyber threats. Like here are some examples, like firewalls. So firewalls are software or hardware-based security systems that block unauthorized access to networks or devices. Next, antivirus software. It is the example of cyber security, and it removes malware such as viruses, worms, and Trojan horses from computers and mobile devices. Next example is encryption. Encryption involves converting data into a secret code to prevent unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication. So it requires users to provide two different forms of identification before accessing a system, such as password and a security token. Regular software update. Regular software, you need to update a patch known security vulnerabilities, making it harder for attackers to exploit. Security awareness training, access controls, incident response planning.
Sir, you're muted.
Sorry, Amma. I don't know without my presence how it is muted. So these are the various types of cyber security, including system security, web security, application security, network security, and mobile security, and information security. Then cyber security reference model. So this framework that provides a structured approach to understanding and implementing cyber security. So the primary purpose of CSR, cyber security reference model, you can call it as like this: cyber security CSRM. Okay, to help organizations and develop comprehensive and effective cyber security strategy that addresses the various aspects of cyber security. The key uses of cyber security reference model include establishing a common language and understanding of cyber security, providing a framework for organizing cyber security activities, enhancing cyber security risk management, facilitating compliance with cyber security regulations, supporting cyber security awareness and training. Then this is the cyber security reference model. We need to first identify the threat, then protect, detect, and respond, then recover. These are the 5 steps we are following in the CS reference model. Then the basic concepts of cyber security. These three topics are very, very important and very major concepts of all the cyber security subjects, like confidentiality, integrity, and availability. So confidentiality is nothing but unauthorized persons cannot access it any kind of information. Integrity is nothing but if you are unauthorized person, you cannot modify or delete any kind of information. Availability is nothing but the data which is available in all the systems, present in all the systems. So that's why it is called the CIA triad. So confidentiality, integrity, availability. See, protection of information and integrity, not modified or deleted by unauthorized parties. Availability, the data is present in all the systems. You can call it as it is present in all the systems. Then CIA triad consists of three important concepts. That's why cyber security is also known as sometimes information security, system security, information assurance. Basic cyber security concepts, where do I start? You need to identify threats, protect information, detect attacks and intrusions, respond to attacks and intrusions, recover database and information security, rebuild defenses against intrusion. So what exactly do cyber security do? So it protects organizational infrastructure such as computer networks, servers, data center, hardware devices from cyber criminals and hackers seeking to cause damage or steal sensitive information. So why is the CIA triad so important? So cyber attacks, data thefts and breaches are becoming increasingly common in nowadays. Facebook, Cambridge Analytics scandal, you see how it happened, where it happened, how much damage it happened. So in the year 2022, the biggest cyber security threats to watch out for remain phishing, identity fraud, and business email compromise. Set by V's to keep your employees aware of these threats and protect your reputation, bank account, and sensitive data. What is the aim of cyber security? Cyber security aim is to reduce the risks. Okay, to reduce the risk of cyber attacks or malicious attacks, protect against the unauthorized exploitation of systems, networks, secure data center and technologies. So cyber security professionals work continuously to protect computer systems against attacks. So there are two types of companies, like those that have been hacked and those who don't yet know they have been hacked. Creating a perfect defense system for data protection is the aim of cyber security. So that's why cyber security is how individuals and organizations reduce the risk of cyber attacks. So branches of cyber security I have explained 6 types: network, system, application, information, web and mobile security. These are the major branches of cyber security. In interview point of view, they will ask you what are the branches of cyber security. You can say network security, system security, application security, information security, web security, mobile security. So what are the 7 layers of cyber security? Yes sir, there are 7 types of layers of cyber security, like human layer, perimeter layer, perimeter security, and network security, application security, endpoint security, data security, and mission critical assets. What are the cyber security methods? So these methods refers to the techniques and practices used to protect computer systems, networks, data center, and data from unauthorized access, theft, or damage or breaches. Some common cybersecurity methods including access control, encryption, firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention system, that is called IDPS, penetration testing, security audits, user awareness training. So cyber security methods, I have explained all these are putting up a firewall at very strong password. You need to keep essential cyber security measures or to use strong passwords. Strong passwords are vital to good online security, controlling access to data and systems, putting up a firewall, using security software, updating programs and systems, and regularly monitoring for intrusion and raising awareness. So then if you see methods for cyber security, we need to identify threats, protect threats, detect threats, respond threats, and recover. So these are the methods for cyber security. Elements of cyber security, there are important elements of cyber security like confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, authorization, risk management, instant response, training and awareness. So they will ask you the question, can you list out elements of cyber security? Yes sir, the elements of cyber security consist of end user compliance, disaster recovery, network security, application security, information security. So that's why cyber security is also known as information security or electronic information security. Then cyber security can be categorized into 5 distinct types, like Internet of Things security, critical infrastructure security, application security, network security, cloud security. These 5 steps of cyber security, but also the 3 components that play active roles in a cyber security posture, that is people, processes and technology. So cyber security threats happening likely to affect with help of virus 64%, need to understand better 41%, spyware, phishing, firmware hacking, IP spoofing, ransomware, attacks on virtualization, social engineering, hardware-based attacks, distributed denial of service, Internet of Things based attacks, botnets, rootkits, man-in-the-middle attacks, SQL injection, etc. So these are the cyber security best practices and principles. So business intelligence to cyber and security intelligence training and technology, that is called cyber SITT. S means security, T means training, T means technology, and I means intelligence. Cyber is a term related to computers, information technology, virtual reality, augmented reality. So improves the analysis and protection, intelligence, defense, application and the training of your cyber tools. Then reasons for cyber crimes and mechanisms. So there are various reasons, common reasons why cyber crimes and mechanisms they have used. Financial gain, political motives, and revenge, personal satisfaction. Okay, so revenge and then you can call it as a personal satisfaction. To carry out cyber crimes, criminals use various mechanisms including malware, phishing, social engineering, denial of service, DOS attacks, ransomware, insider attacks, advanced persistent threats. 5 reasons why cyber criminals attack, like disgruntled employees who resigned from the organization. Then publicity, power, revenge, freedom. So a large portion of hackers is driven to the opportunity to break the unbreakable system and gain recognition from their peers. So reasons for cyber crimes and mechanisms used: financial gain 16%, curiosity 12%, revenge 10%, personal benefit 7%, excitement 6%. So mechanisms they are using: social engineering, laptops they are using 18%, social engineering 21%, remote access 17%, email 17%, mobile device 16%. So cyber security standards. So cyber security standards, there are various cyber security standards, set of guidelines and best practices that help organizations to protect their digital assets, including sensitive data, credit card information or bank details information and systems from cyber attacks. These standards provide a framework for implementing effective security controls and the risk management process to reduce the likelihood of successful cyber attacks. Here are some of the most widely used cyber security standards, like ISO and ISMS, Information Security Management System, IEC, and Information Electronic Council 27001. So International Standard Organization. Second one is the NIST Cyber Security Framework. So this is one more type of NIST Cyber Security Framework. And PCI, NIST means National Institute of Science and Technology. PCI DSS, Payment Card in the Industry Data Security Standard. CIS controls, Center for Internet Security. HIPAA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation. So these are the cyber security standards, like the principal objective of cyber security standards are to reduce the risks through the prevention or mitigation of cyber attacks. So these published materials consist of collection of tools, policies, security concepts, security safeguards, guidelines, etc. Cyber security standard is a set of guidelines or best practices that the organization can use to improve their cyber security posture. Cyber security principles. So these principles provide a foundation for building a strong cyber security posture and mitigating the risk of cyber attacks. Here are some of the most important cyber security principles: confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, authorization, accountability, non-repudiation. So cyber security principles are grouped into 4 key activities, like govern, protect, detect, and respond. Using a cyber security framework for web application security. So you need to have most important cyber security principles. So you can expect
హలో ఇప్పుడా ఈవినింగ్ తాగుదాం. ఓకే.
This one I'm just copying and making the new slide and pasting. So this one and two. So we need to expand each one of cyber security principles that we will see later. So cyber security principles. So cyber security framework consists of standards, guidelines, and the best practices to manage cyber security risks. So cyber security framework, you need to identify the threats, protect, detect, and respond, and recover. Then second concept in introduction to cyber security, ABC of cyber security. You need to know A to Z, like always log out after online transaction. Then Z indicates zero participation in dark web. Likewise, each letter having its own deep meaning of the statement. B means be careful what you give. Like example, T stands for think before you. Hello?
Sir, how to remember this ABC of cyber?
No need to remember. Just any. See, you have studied 12 subjects. No need to by heart it. No need to remember as it is. Whatever you remember, you can tell. So suppose you forgot about the B stands. You can say be careful while using any internet URLs. You can say like that, no problem. And no, you can give your own expansion of meaning of the letter. It is not a standard. It is not a rule and regulation to remember as it is. See, you can say K stands for keep software updated. You can say keep your system with antivirus software. See, whatever in your mind, by that time it strikes, you can say don't mug up or keep it as it is. If you remember, it's well and good, no problem. And you can say your own meaning of the statement, not exactly which is listed in the CPC of cybersecurity. Okay. Then jargon and terminology. This also you can give your own definition, your own meaning of the statement. No, as it is, they won't expect. See, they will ask the question, what is cyber attack? You can say cyber attack is one of the criminal activity or malicious attempt to damage and distribute or gain unauthorized access or computer systems or networks or devices via cyber means. So they may ask like what is denial of service? You can say denial of service is one of the cyber attack when legitimate users are denied access to computer services or resources, usually by overloading the service with the antivirus. You can give your own meaning of antivirus like it is a software to protect our systems with the help of antivirus softwares like Bitdefender and Norton antivirus, etc. Like that. Okay. Cloud, you can say your own meaning. Cloud is an internet-based technology. Or simple meaning, you can say cloud is a pay and use technology. Or you can say cloud is a 543 formula. Veena, don't mug up anything. Whatever you are strike on that time of interview, you can give the meaning of the statement. That's all. They won't expect as it is of any definition or any kind of a sentence. Whether you understood the concept or not, whether you are able to answer to question or not, they are expecting that's all. The confidence, the confident level of your attempting the question, that is important. Okay. So then components of cyber security. These are the mandatory things you need to tell. Like, sir, there are various components of cyber security. like people, technology, process. These are the key components of cyber security. Then you can include even network security, application, endpoint, identity and access management, etc. Data security, incident response, risk management, etc. Workflow of cyber security. The workflow typically involves several steps including risk assessment, risk management, implementation, monitoring, incident response, continuous improvement, etc. The workflow of cybersecurity can be broadly divided into the following phases: threat analysis, risk assessment, security planning, implementation, monitoring and analysis, incident response, continuous improvement, etc. What are the fundamentals of information security? So, the fundamentals of information security include the basic principles, concepts, and practices that are essential for protecting information and information systems from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. Here are some of the key fundamentals of information security, like confidentiality, integrity, availability, authentication, authorization, accountability, non-deviation. CIA triad. CIA is also known as CIA triad. CIA triad is essential in cyber security as it provides vital security features, helps in avoiding compliance issues, ensures business continuity, and prevents reputational damage to the organization. So threats, attacks, categories, and hacking. Types of cyber threats. There are threats countered by cyber security are threefold: cybercrime, cyber attack, cyber terrorism. Latest cyber threats like Dridex malware in the year 2019, it is happened in USA. Romance scams, Emotech malware, it is happened in the 2019. Malware. There are a number of different types of malware, including virus, trojans, spyware, ransomware, adware, botnets, etc. Emoted, denial of service, DOS, distributed denial of service, phishing, SQL injection, malware embedded. Types of cyber threats, cybercrime, cyber attack, cyber terrorism, etc. How cyber attacker spreads the above threats: malware, SQL injection, phishing, point, man in the middle attack, denial of service.
Yes, sir.
Cyber safety tips: update your system or OS, use antivirus software or strong passwords. Do not click for links and emails from unknown senders and avoid using unknown networks. Types of cyber attacks: malware, phishing, SQL injection, DNS spoofing, phone jacking, zero-day exploit, eavesdropping attack, driveware download, insider threat, and backdoors. Malware send anonymous email from this URL www.sendanonymous.com.
Are you looking for job?
Malware send anonymous email from this URL. Cybercrime stock image. Cyber security controls. So it is used to prevent, detect, and mitigate cyber threats in the times. Classifying controls is by type: physical, technical, and administrative, and by protection: preventative, detective, and corrective.
So, all of you, I want all of you.
Cyber security controls are three types: technical controls, administrative controls, physical controls. Introduction to network security.
Monica, I am calling from RightWorks.
There are three components of network security, like hardware, software, and cloud services. Aspects of network security: data privacy, message integrity, and authentication, non-repudiation. Introduction to IDAM stands for identity and access management.
Okay.
So IAM is a framework of business processes, policies, and technologies that facilitates the management of electronic or digital identity.
Voice is not clear enough.
Okay.
Introduction to
But,
cyber
sir,
forensics.
You are in HCL, right?
Cyber forensics is also known as computer forensics. The science of collecting the data, inspecting the data, interpreting data,
Okay, ma'am.
reporting and presenting computer-related electronic devices is known as cyber
Completely
forensics.
planning and hiring process.
Cyber forensics involves the investigations of computer-related crimes by providing electronic evidence to support criminal prosecution of these electronic facilitated crimes. Introduction to application security. It is the process of developing, adding and testing security features within applications to prevent security vulnerabilities against threats such as unauthorized access and modification. Application security is the process of developing, adding and testing security features within application to prevent security vulnerabilities against threats such as unauthorized access and
Good
modification.
morning, is this Neha?
Data center, cloud
Neha?
security. In interview point of view, they will ask you the question, what is data? You can say data is a raw material. Data may be audio data, video data, text data, graphics, animation, etc. Data center is a collection of 5 integrated computing servers at one place is called data center. Cloud security, we are providing 3 types of cloud security issues like data security, network security and host level security. So 6 layers of Google security called signage and fencing, secure perimeter, building access, security operations center, data center floor, secure hard drive destruction. Then tools in cyber security, we have given 11 tools in 11 groups. Please be ready with your presentation tool and your major project. Who missed today? You need to explain today that tool and project implementation. Okay, these are the important and famous tools in cyber security like Nmap, Wireshark, Metasploit, Nessus, Snort, Malwarebytes, OpenABS, Firewall, VPN, Password Manager, etc. These are the top 10 tools in cyber security. Techniques in cyber security, there are various techniques. Okay, like antivirus software and updates, firewalls, backups, passwords, multi-factor authentication, virtual private network, employee security training, etc. So techniques in cyber security are antivirus software and updates. Okay, like firewalls, backups, passwords, multi-factor authentication. Technologies used in cyber security, graphic user interface, GUI, central dashboard, hardware, software, and logs that offer visibility into system transactions and audit trail, and it is compatible with other security and network tools for integrations of purposes. Individual tools are just one piece of the puzzle for what the enterprise networks require. Cyber security, IVM, infectious virtual machine. Using a virtual machine for browsing enables you to visit sites without worrying about infection. EVM, exposed virtual machine. IVM, infectious virtual machine. So this is with the help of VMware software, we can create a number of virtual machines, etc. Then cyber security ITM, integrated threat management. So discover how proof points inside a threat. management and IM security solutions to help you detect threats inside your organization, like cyber security team, identity, monitor, assess, review, control, mitigate.
Yes, ma'am.
To address these threats, the platform may include the following functions: intrusion detection system or an intrusion prevention system IPS, uniform resource locator, virtual private network, etc.
Yes, ma'am.
The 18th concept is cyber security IAM, identity and access management, is a framework of policies, processes and technologies that enable organizations to manage digital identities and control user access to critical corporate information. So IAM stands for Identity and Access Management. The goal of IAM is to ensure that only authorized users have access to the resource they need while preventing unauthorized access, data breaches, and
if you can, you can
core
join, or
responsibilities
else you
of
can
an
join the
IAM
admin
system are
session is there at 2:30.
verifying
That is
and
also no problem.
authenticate individuals,
Okay.
capture and record user login events, manage and grant visibility of the business user identity database, manage the assignment and the removal of users' access privileges, enable system administrators to manage and restrict user access while monitoring changes in user privileges. So these are the 5 core responsibilities of an IAM system: identity and access management. Identity and access management boosts security. Cyber security GRC with ServiceNow. GRC stands for Governance, Risk Management and Compliance. So it refers to using the ServiceNow platform to implement GRC processes and workflows in an organization. Like these are the pillars of ServiceNow GRC, like policy and compliance management, risk management, audit management, vendor risk management, etc. Cyber security GRC, governance, risk management and compliance. It refers to a set of practices and frameworks that organizations use to manage and mitigate risks associated with their information technology systems, etc. So these are the GRC, governance, risk management and compliance. First you need to governance, then risk, then compliance. Then cyber security GCP, Google Cloud Platform. It is a cloud computing platform offered by Google. It provides a range of services of storing, you can call it as processing and analyzing data, including virtual machines, storage, database and machine learning. So GCP, Google Cloud Platform, play and use. So it is used Google Cloud Console, Stack Driver and Cloud Identity and Access Management is called IAM. Then these are the Google Cloud Platform. They are supporting with various tools and services to help the users maintain the security of their data and applications. Some of key security features of GCP include encryption, identity and access management, security monitoring, and compliance. Cyber security DPP, data privacy and protection. It refers to the set of practices, policies and procedures designed to safeguard sensitive information from unauthorized access, use or disclosure. So cyber security DPP, data privacy and protection. So it consists of what, who, why, users, global, penalties, etc. Then research challenges of cyber security. There are several research challenges in the field of cyber security, including complexity and diversity of threats, integration of security measures, scalability, usability, and the privacy concerns, standardization. You can use this one, standardization. Okay, then encryption, then you can call it as artificial intelligence and machine learning, then global cooperation, then challenges. So three cyber security challenges like every enterprise needs to address like sophisticated threat actors, cyber security skills gap. So 8 trillion cost of cyber crime to global business by 2020. Return of investment for exploit kits and ransomware schemes. 55 days median time between intrusion and declaration detection. Then cyber security challenges like ransomware evolution, blockchain evolution, artificial intelligence expansion, software vulnerabilities, bring your own device policies, cloud attacks, IoT threats, phishing attacks, insider Then future of cyber security. The future of cyber security is constantly evolving as cyber threats become more sophisticated and organizations become more reliant and on technology. Here are some of the trends that are likely to shape the future of cyber security. Artificial intelligence, machine learning, cloud security, Internet of Things, security, blockchain, quantum computing, human-centric cyber security. The future of cyber security, just now I have explained. Critical infrastructure security, cloud security, user security, network security, application security, or system security, Internet of Things security. So the 14 best Python libraries for cyber security you need to use, like Pandas is a it is a machine learning and Python library. It is used for data analysis and it describes the data about how many rows and columns, like we are performing all operations under the Pandas library. Then NumPy in order to calculate numeric operations, numerics related, we are using NumPy. NLTK natural language toolkit, scikit-learn, then Nmap, Twisted, KP, Beautiful Soup, Cryptography library, Yara, and PyMetasploit 3, Mechanize, Socket, and request. These are the 14 best Python libraries for cyber security. So these are the interview questions you need to remember. What is cyber security? Cyber security is the practice of protecting digital devices, networks, data center, computer, server, system, sensitive data, information from unauthorized access or theft, damage or other malicious. What is a firewall? Firewall is a network security system that monitors and controls the incoming and the outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Then what is virus? Virus is a type of malicious software that self-replicates and spreads by inserting itself into other programs or files on a computer. Virus expansion is vital information resource under siege. What is malware? Malware, a short form for malicious software, refers to any program or code designed to harm, or exploit a computer system. What is phishing? Phishing is a type of social engineering attack that uses fake emails or websites to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information such as passwords or credit card numbers, etc. Then what is encryption? Encryption is a process of converting plain text into ciphertext or form of the original data that cannot be easily understood by unauthorized parties. What is the importance of password security? Password security is important because it is often the first line of defense against unauthorized access to sensitive information and systems. What is the difference between confidentiality, integrity, and availability in the context of information security? What is a security breach? So, confidentiality means unauthorized persons cannot access any kind of information. Integrity means say unauthorized persons cannot altered or tampered or modified any kind of data. Availability means it presents in all the systems. What is a security breach? Security breach is an incident where sensitive information is accessed, used or disclosed without authorization. Then what is the threat actor? A threat actor is an individual or group that poses a threat to an organization's security. What is the difference between a virus and a worm? A virus is a type of malware that infects other programs or files on a computer and can self-replicate and spread to other systems. A worm is similar to a virus but has the ability to spread and infect other systems on its own without the need for a host program. What is the social engineering? Social engineering is a type of security attack that relies on tricking individuals into revealing sensitive information or performing actions that compromise security. What is a man in the middle attack? A man in the middle attack is a type of security attack where an attacker inspects and manipulates communication between two parties. What is the difference between a denial of service and a distributed denial of service? Denial of service attack is a type of security attack that aims to make a website or online service unavailable to users. A distributed denial of service attack is a more complex version of DOS attack, where the attacker uses network of compromised systems to attack a target or making it more difficult to defend against. List out cyber security techniques: access control, firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention, encryption, antivirus and anti-malware, employee training, vulnerability scanning, incident response planning. List out cyber security tools: antivirus software, firewalls, intrusion detection and prevention system, vulnerability scanners, virtual private network, data encryption tools, password managers, two-factor authentication tools, penetration testing tools and log analysis tools, etc. So with this one, I have completed the complete awareness of cyber security concepts, tools and techniques. So I am going to stop here, and I am expecting from you. Today is the last day. You need to share your documents and as well as your PPT and code and the cyber security tool, etc. Okay, so all of you, please make sure that you have done so far wonderful attendance, and you have gained so much knowledge on 12 modules. with the practicals
At
and
Manapur,
including
Hyderabad,
Python
Airports,
programming.
Just click on start
I have
Cryptography.
explained
Okay,
140
so
slides about
provide 4
introduction
months of
to
training.
cyber
In this
security.
4 months, first you
So
have
with this one
technical
I am
training,
closing.
and
I am
last 1 month they
expecting
have
from
only
you.
You are able to
project.
see my
Uh,
screen, right? So you do the same.
Completion
See,
of training,
for
certificate is
my
from
sincere
DSC,
suggestion,
Data Security
every
Council of
slide
India.
you try to grasp one
Completion of
point.
training,
That's
we
all.
only provide
You
job
can
assistance
remember
from MNC companies.
whatever
It's
by seeing
completely
these
free of
slides.
cost, no need to pay,
So
there
the
is no
syllabus
negotiation
of
of training.
Python
Completely
programming
full-time online
includes
training. Based
built-in
on your
language
performance, you will
features,
get the training also.
standard
You get the
libraries,
placement
how
also.
to write code in
I
various
suggested.
platforms like Google Colab, Jupyter,
Okay. Which one
Notebook,
is the model, sir?
PyCharm, IDLE, integration development, learning environment, scripting way. To clear the console, we are using import os.system of CLS for Windows, Control L for Linux or Mac OS. So same way, you can see every slide. You can remember. Python program is developed by Guido van Rossum, Netherlands. Like this, you read my presentation slides before going to interview. You can easily attempt any technical interview, any tough ask, because you are the person knows complete knowledge on cyber security course. So within 3 months, you have gained so many acronyms, so many terminologies, so many tools and techniques. And commonly you have identified some tools are very important. Like that. Okay. So remember all these slides like this operator precedence, Python variables, Python data types, basic syntax of all the concepts. So basic data types. So built-in data types in Python, Python cheat sheet. So based on the programs. Okay. So Python program to perform all arithmetic operations, swapping of two numbers using third variable. So various programs I have explained. Python loops, for loop and while loop statements, then followed by the Python collections. Okay. So Python arrays, Python list, Python sets, Python tuples, Python dictionaries, concepts of Python programming, 6 concepts like arrays, strings, lists, sets, tuples, dictionaries, Python functions, Python class, Python exceptions, Python files, Python arrays, like then followed by the Python strings, Python functions, then followed by the Python classes,
I will share document format mail to you. If you are
then
qualified
Python
in the tax
exceptions,
learning, you need to share your documents, okay? Okay, if you have
then
any
followed
queries
by
regarding
the
this time, you can
Python file operations, reading files in Python, anonymous functions, top 10 Python libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, Seaborn, SciPy, StateMade, Stats, Models, NLTK, etc. So NumPy, SciPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn, Theano, and followed by the TensorFlow, Keras, Torch, Seaborn, Matplotlib, Stats Model, NLTK. So these are the best cyber security libraries,
What's your name?
tools in Python programming. various tools like PyCharm IDLE, Python Anywhere, IDLE, Sublime Text, Atom, Jupyter Notebooks, Spider, Bitpackage, Scikit-learn, technologies used in Python programming, AI, machine learning, deep learning, cyber security, big data, IoT, web development, GUI development, scientific numeric, software development, system administration. What is Python is used for? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is used for a wide range of purposes, including web development, scientific computing, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. What are some of the benefits of using Python? Python has a number of benefits, including its ease of use, large and supportive community, vast libraries and frameworks, and versatility. Python, what is a Python module? A Python module is a collection of Python code that can be used in other programs. What is the difference between a tuple and a list in Python? Tuple is an immutable data structure, while a list is a mutable data structure. This means that once a tuple is created, its values cannot be changed, while values in a list can be changed, added or removed. Tuples use parentheses, while lists use square brackets. What is a dictionary in Python? Dictionary in Python is an unordered collection of key value pairs where each key is unique. Dictionaries are used to store data that is accessed using keys rather than index numbers. They are defined using curly braces and can store a variety of data types. What is a function in Python and how is it defined? A function in Python is a block of code that performs a specific task and can be called from other parts of the program. Functions are defined using the def keyword followed by the function name and set of parentheses that may contain parameters. The code inside the function is indented and runs whenever the function is called. What is an exception in Python and how is it handled? An exception in Python is an error that occurs during the execution of a program. When an exception is raised, the normal flow of execution is interrupted and the program jumps to the nearest exception handler. Exception handling in Python is accomplished using try and except keywords, where the code that may raise an exception is placed inside the try block and the exception handling code is placed inside the except block. Explain the concept of inheritance in Python. Inheritance is a mechanism where one class acquires the properties and behavior of another class. The class that inherits properties is called the derived class, and the class from which it inherits properties is called the base class. What is the difference between is and exactly equal in Python? Is used to check if two variables refer to the same object, whereas exactly is used to check if two variables have the same value. What is a decorator in Python? Decorator is a function that takes another function as input, adds some functionality to it, and returns it as output. It is a way to modify the behavior of a function or class without changing its source code. What are lambda functions in Python? Lambda functions are anonymous functions in Python that are defined without a name. They are usually used as a one-liner to perform simple operations and are created using the lambda keyword. Explain the concept of generators in Python. Generators are functions that return an iterator which can be iterated over using the next function. Unlike list, generators do not store all the values in memory at once, making them more efficient. What is the difference between append and extend methods in Python? Append method adds a single element to the end of a list, whereas extend method can add multiple elements to the end of a list, and as it takes an iterable as input. There are 5 reasons why Python is useful in cyber security. Cyber security professionals can get up to speed quickly. Cyber security teams can form quickly. Python's extensive library means cyber security tools are already available. Python can be used for nearly anything in cyber security. Scripts in Python can be developed quickly. Benefits of Python for cyber security. It simplifies debugging. It open source programming language. Is it a powerful language? It useful in automation. It enhances productivity. It reduces development time. It uses real-world programming products. Python as a language has the following applications in cybersecurity: geolocation extraction, better script development, complete cybersecurity package, network port scanning, application monitoring, packet security. Okay, so these are the building secure Python applications. Various applications like artificial intelligence, robotics, quantum computing, web development, web scraping, automation and testing, blockchain, ethical hacking. So with this one, Python is over. So last time I have explained computer networks, cloud computing, then information security, application security, and cryptography, and cyber forensics, security auditing, and ethical hacking, mobile security, cyber forensics. Okay, so I am going to stop here, and now this is a time for you. You need to explain your project, and you need to share your major project PPT. I am modifying all other batches I have received so far. See, so far I have received Cyber Siksha projects. See, so far I have, and group number 4. Who's group number 4? I haven't received anything. Group number 8, group number 9, group number 10. Anyone, please respond. 33 students are there. Please respond, and can you explain cyber security tool or major project explanation? Can anyone?
Hello, sir.
Veena, please tell me.
In cyber topics, only we are having 6 topics, right, sir? Mainly,
Yes.
it is about
But, don't stick on that. Syllabus is not good actually. I have given a corporate training syllabus because I am handling corporate corporate topics, corporate trainings I am giving. Recently I have given one of the Resix software solutions for employees. I have given training, and some organization people, some colleges, some special trainings I have conducted. This is the best syllabus. If you can ask, even ChatGPT also will give you the core concepts of cyber security. What I have listed, 12 will come again. Okay, but your cyber Siksha training they have given that is a generalized and very simple syllabus. Six concepts only have to.
yes, sir, like cyber security,
Please.
network security, application security, security auditing, and yeah, that's all.
Ethical hacking.
No ethical hacking, sir, in that.
Now see how they are missing ethical hacking. This is the
And-
most important concept in cyber security. Even how they have listed computer networks without layers, how they are performing any kind of hacking.
They don't have even the Python programming and cloud computing also, sir.
Yeah, I have, because of corporate training, I have listed the best syllabus. Even I got an opportunity in Hyderabad, in Amirpet. You know, you may be knowing Hyderabad. So there are various coaching centers. They are requesting me, please come to here, sir, for offline. We are arranging plenty of batches for you to take up sessions, because nobody covers 12 modules. Even in Hyderabad center also, no institution will give you 12 modules training, because I got experience in while studying BTech and I completed in Indian Institute of Information Technology, Allahabad. So I got 20 years of experience. Based on my experience, I have created my own syllabus. That is the reason you are the people so luckiest, and you got very good knowledge on 12 modules. You can compare with any training centers, or you can ask any person or any cyber security specialist also. These many modules we have studied, they will appreciate. Oh, very good. These many topics, if you know, definitely you are going to select. Not if you are not selected today, definitely tomorrow there is a chance of selecting. Don't worry. So based on your experience, 2-3 interviews, so you come to know what level you are standing, then you can answer to them very easy. It is not a problem. Definitely you are going to get job. So 33 students, please unmute yourself and ask any queries, any doubts. I am going to do your projects because of time. I am concentrating on your projects. Definitely I will share with you during this 1 week. If training is not there, no problem. We have a group batches. I will share with you your code implementation and modified your document, modified your PPT, modified your tool. That's why I am requesting you group 4, group 8, group 9, group 10. Please send now at least. Can you share your PPT, your document, and
Sir, what about the practicals, sir? Like practicals, whatever you listed in the PPT, it's enough to practice.
Yes, you need to do practice. I think for every topic I have listed 1 or 2 programs in the topic, and as well as separately I have given list of projects. You practice that one and make sure that you are strong in cyber security concepts. How many concepts they are asking? You can tell 12 concepts are very, very important, sir, in order to become a cyber security engineer or analyst. Okay. Please unmute yourself, 33 students. You can
Sir,
ask any.
yeah.
Please.
How can we explain the project, like what we have discussed about the package?
So definitely in the interview panel, they are going to ask you whatever you know. What is your major project title of the during the course? You can explain the title of the project. What is your title of the project? Veena.
Yeah, it's about the implementation of packet sniffing data analytics using with ML and DM technique.
They will ask you what is packet sniffing. They will ask you question. Packet sniffing is nothing but any type of malicious attacks or any kind of vulnerabilities they are identifying and checking errors, vulnerabilities, attacks, cyber criminal activities by using machine learning and deep learning prediction algorithms. That you can justify. Group number 8. Yeah, please ask.
Yes, sir, they may ask like how did you achieve your project?
Yeah, I have implemented Python programming by using SVM support vector machine. First I have classified the data, then I have applied a deep learning technique called convolutional neural network technique. It is one of the classification and prediction algorithm. So I have achieved, I have given input data set as malware detection data or vulnerabilities data set. It is going to classify of what type of malicious attack, what type of malware, what type of attack it is. That I will classify the data by using machine and deep learning algorithms. Like that you can answer. Group number 8, they have shared their document. Group number 8, I'm saving the. So please share remaining students. I'm going to modify and refine the PPT I'm going to send with you, and I will verify the execution and I'll keep it. Group number 8 sent. Who's the group number 8? Please respond. Let me check. Oh, implementation of mobile security data analytics using ML and DL techniques. Niharika, Kirti, Pooja, Hazira.
So, this guy
Very good project.
what will
Very good project you have done.
if yes, this is a wrong answer.
Is there anyone? Niharika, Kirti, Pooja,
Except the
Ume, Hazira.
correct answer.
Please respond.
Coming back to the next question.
Niharika. Okay. Can you explain, Niharika, what about your project, what you have done so far? No problem. Please try.
Here we now see send
Niharika.
what so this one will do computer
Okay, no problem. At least
code.
you can ask any doubts. So I got group number 8 documents. What about group number 9 and 10? Group number 4. Why? Why you are not responding and why you are not doing? So I will see. I'm going to do this one refinement like this. My screen is visible. My screen is visible, Amma.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So like this, I'm going to refine. Okay.
How many, now from computer 4 to computer 4, how many devices?
So likewise, all 11 projects. I'm going to help you. Okay.
Hello.
Mobile security,
Hello. I am
then
not
cyber security. So like this, I'm going to verify each and every PPT. I'm going to share with you. Don't worry. Okay. And any batch would like to explain?
Just see this switch, right? It will
Next.
all air
Any batch, anybody would like to interact with me?
blue line. Just check that.
I am unable to unmute Niharika. Okay. Wait. Where is Niharika?
Switch you should not
I
count.
will try.
So let's see. Let's type code whether it is correct answer. Yes.
Hello, sir.
The blue line will all is 4 devices.
Etil, sir.
6, 5 and router. Did you see
I
that
will
also?
try Niharika. Where is Niharika?
Yes, sir.
Sir, do you have any idea about how the interview process?
Yeah, definitely they will conduct written test, ID, reasoning and aptitude, and are followed by the technical interview. And I will arrange 2-3 companies. I am going to share the group. I'm talking with them. They required definitely I will list out and I will inform to you. Sir, Etil sir, please unmute.
Yes, yes, sir.
Right? So this is your
Niharika, she is unable to
Okay, sir. I will unmute.
unmute.
right. The next one, we go to task.
Any doubts? We only Tina is interacting. What about remaining students? Srija?
Technical interview will be 1 or 2 rounds, sir.
Yeah, that depends on the organization. That depends on your job position. Usually, two technical interviews, one HR interview. First level, second level, and third level.
Sir,
Niharika,
Sir.
Pravalika.
sir, what is the minimum package we can expect from cybersecurity role?
Very good fact. Now boom is on cyber security domain because
Hello.
wherever data
Yes,
is
Niharika,
there,
you are
there
unable to
cyber attacks are
unmute.
happening. So
Because we are freshers, no, sir. That's why.
yeah, no problem. 3 to 4
Okay,
lakhs
I'm
people
also here unable to make you unmute.
Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bombay.
If you rejoin again to the
Chennai.
session, is it
These
possible
are
to
the
unmute?
places, but you need to apply for cyber security
Okay,
domain.
okay then. Just drop a message in the
Definitely
chat
you will
box,
get
no?
it. Minimum 5 lakhs.
Let the sir
I am
know.
expecting
Sir will
minimum
know.
5 lakhs. It is going to
Just
start
drop it
from
in
that.
chat box.
Any other? Pravalika asked one question.
Hello.
Remaining students,
Management,
please. Srija,
please join the class.
any doubts?
Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt to Ethel, sir.
You
Sir,
have
you-
one doubt too, sir?
Yes, sir. I have asked that Ethel, sir.
Yeah, please ask.
Sir, are you there?
Yes.
Sir, you told us to apply one job. That is in Hyderabad and Telangana, but I'm not comfortable in that location, sir.
No. That is not job. We need to get your details. It is a demo.
Only details.
Just drop your details in that. You don't need to worry. That is not the job role. To get your details, we have posted one new job like that. Okay. Just
Okay,
fill
sir.
your details.
Yes, sir.
And who
You'll
are
get it wherever
who are
place is
not
there, you will get
interested,
it.
sir. Sorry to interrupt. Who are not interested in the placement, they need not to fill the details. Okay. Who are only interested in certification, no, not interested in placement, they no need to fill the details.
Sir, for certification, shall we conduct exams, sir, or are you planning to conduct exams?
No, sir. I think we will take one mini project now, sir. We will assign the mini project. By that, they will get the certification according to their attendance percentage also. I think
Okay.
that you need to check with Swarna ma'am, sir.
Yeah. And I'll give you my feedback and my marks for major
Yes.
project.
Yeah,
That's
sir.
why I'm collecting.
Okay, sir.
So based on that one, even I will, because I know now students, nearly 35, 40 students. I know their knowledge and I know I can give their assessment also, sir.
Yes, sir. Please.
Okay. Yeah, I'll give you. Then you can include that percentage in the their training certificate. Sir, actually, this you have mentioned DS, some organization is there, na, sir.
DSCI, sir.
Whose
DSCI.
project is Cyber Shiksha, sir?
DSCI, sir.
Organize. What is that, sir? I don't
Data
know.
Security Council of India.
Okay, it's a government project.
Yeah, sir. Government.
Okay.
Sir, today is the last day of our training now, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Is-
Madam and Arvind sir told me that 3 months they have given that only. Today is the last date. That's
Yeah,
why.
sir.
But
Is the-
still,
yeah.
I can help the students until they get the job.
Yeah,
I'll
okay,
give
sir. Yes, you can.
Yeah, I will be in the touch in the groups you have created. That is good. If any time they are getting any doubt, they can ask freely. I am going to help them, and I'll share my latest webinars I am taking on various domains. That links also I am going to share with them. And if any I got a job reference, I am going to share with them.
Yeah, yesterday only I have mentioned to those candidates I have interacted. If you need any notes or PPTs and if you have any doubts, you can interact with the sir.
No problem, sir.
Yeah, sir. Is there any sessions, sir, tomorrow? Is there any sessions like orientations or to train them on interview questions? Have you taking any sessions tomorrow?
Tomorrow, if you want, I will take it, sir. I'll ask Madam and Arvind.
No, sir. The training is ending now, sir. I am asking for clarification. Is there any another sessions?
For me?
Yeah, sir.
No, right now I'm not taking.
Okay.
Arvind sir giving one more training, but 16th it is going to start. He told me like that. But if any trainings are there related to cyber security, data science, I'm ready to take, sir. Please inform to your organization.
Yes, sir. Please available in that. Please be available in that WhatsApp group, sir.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you, sir.
I will be available. Yeah. And my dear students, any doubts so far? And your major projects I am going to execute, and I will give you after refinement of your PPT document, and I will share with you. Don't worry.
Please join the class.
If whoever not submitted also, no problem. I am going to write. I am going to give
Please
them
join the class.
my part
Cybersecurity.
PPT and tool I will prepare Saturday, Sunday, and I'll execute your major project, and then I'll send you. Actually, major project you have to do based on this knowledge, but you are trying very good. Some people are downloaded data sets.
Hello.
Some people are. There is Tejaswini. Tejaswini is there. So she executed a little bit innovative of ethical hacking project, and Nayan executed, and they are trying Veena, Pravalika, and good students are there, Sushmita, Srija.
Who is this?
They have explained very well, and few more students.
What's your name?
Actually, I forgot their names. Manvita, Tejaswini, Manashwini. They are good, sir. Can you tell me? Tell me, Veena. Written test?
We will be having coding or only the aptitude?
Yes.
Then submit if your answer is correct. Okay? Similarly, you can also do this. How many IP addresses will airman scan to provide us this range?
Hello, sir.
What is the mean?
Veena, tell me some little bit introduction. Veena, please tell
Yes.
me.
In aptitude round, like online test, we will be having only the aptitude, or we will be having the like coding also?
No, that depends on the organization. They are having their own pattern. If they want to conduct the aptitude after the technical interview, after that again technical interview, then HR. Like that also it will be happening. So don't stick on to any pattern. You ready for any type of interview, any type of exam, then only you will get job. Otherwise it is very difficult to get job. You must be a confident person. You can ask any query, like you need to challenge. That is good for you. Any other students? Niharika microphone is not working, sir.
Keep this 10 dot 10 dot 0
Supriya,
hyphen
Okay.
55
please join to class.
dot
Anybody having any queries? Chat
No,
box,
your name is not showing.
microphone is not working.
Okay.
29 students are there. Whose group number 4? Now, just now I have received the group number 8. See, definitely I will give you marks for your major project and do. At least please try to send by end of this week.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah. Manashwini, please ask me questions.
So when we go, Yes.
Yeah.
When we for the interview, as we are freshmen, they will be asking questions in depth or like basics questions
Yeah,
about
definitely
some
standard
topic.
question. I cannot say I'm not sticking to basics and advanced. I'm sticking standard questions. So they will ask you question like I'm an interviewer. Manashwini, do you know ethical hacking tools? So immediately you are saying yes, sir. So it's a standard question. Nmap, Wireshark, you are saying Metasploit, etc. Then they will ask what is meant by ethical hacking. You are saying like that. Standard
Yes,
questions.
say we can say about it like if they ask, have you used any ethical hacking tool? Like demonstrate it. Like those questions will be asked, like live practice questions.
Yeah, what we have done in Python programming, you can tell. We have executed programs in Python programming. Like Tejaswini executed that program also, you can check.
Yes, got it.
Next, any other queries, please respond. Today is the last working day for your training. Manvita, how you got this opportunity in Cyber Shiksha training? I don't know, just I'm asking. Anyone can respond. What is the procedure? How you got selected for this training?
Sir, we have an aptitude test, sir, from this cyber section program.
Okay.
After
No, how you got this notification?
they have called us, like by the they have called us. I don't know from where did they get our information?
Tell me.
They have called us and asked about like we will be having aptitude test today.
Sir, actually, we have came one update from DSCA for this cyber security training program, and it is free of
Okay.
cost for women. After we taken the candidates details, profile details from Monster, and we have contacted them by calling.
Oh.
Yeah,
Okay.
whether they are interested, we have provided the aptitude test link. If they are qualified in the aptitude test, then they are eligible for this training.
Oh.
These are the candidates, all are qualified for that.
Okay. So one more batch is running in Hyderabad, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Same
Now from new batch is running, and one Hyderabad 05 old batch along with our Bangalore only. It is started on 1st December, Hyderabad batch, and our batch is started at December 15th. And now one new batch for Hyderabad has
They are
started.
closed, sir. The training is closed.
Yeah, sir, it is closed, but revision sessions are going on. And on Feb 1st, another new Hyderabad batch has started.
Okay.
Nearly we have reached.
Now any other batch in your organization, Bangalore, sir?
Yes, sir,
If
it
it is
is.
there, please let me know.
Yeah, no, sir. Present we don't have any update for Bangalore batch, new batch. I think if there is any update, I think you will be the trainer for that, sir. I hope.
Yeah, sure. Maybe all the students they have given the feedback also, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I also know, sir. Daily I'm seeing the sessions, no, sir.
Yeah, yes. Okay. And whether in a Hyderabad batch they have covered my syllabus, sir? I think I don't think
No,
so. They didn't
one
cover.
thing, sir. Actually, they are using virtual machines for practicals. For Bangalore, you did it is for Python programming, installation of Python programming. I think so.
Yes.
Yeah, it is very easy to make the practicals, sir, compared to Hyderabad. And it is best
Yes.
thing to make that practicals with Python programming. It is easy.
Yes. Now they are doing good. And how many total students, sir, from Bangalore batch?
From our Bangalore batch, there are
Total.
47 candidates, sir. We have reached 300 candidates. But in that, some
Okay.
candidates are not interested and some candidates are not responded. Whether they qualified in the aptitude test, also they are not responded. And finally, now we have out of 55 candidates, now we have 47 candidates.
final candidate.
Yeah, sir.
So, is there any commitment you are showing to job opportunity for them, sir? Or is it mandatory?
Yes, sir. Ma'am is planning. Ma'am is interacting with other companies to provide placements for these candidates.
Okay, okay.
And previously we have done same DSCI batches, and those candidates also placed in some companies. Ma'am is trying to reach out that candidates to place these candidates in those companies.
So in Hyderabad batch also 2 hours training, sir, online, like
Yes,
means
sir.
or
Same, sir. Same module assessments and same. But compared to your teaching, it is different, sir. I think to your teaching is better and best it is.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. How many students from Hyderabad, sir?
From Hyderabad, they also 55. We have for batch 55 candidates, sir. But now, out of some candidates are left the training program, and some candidates not responding for our calls and not being regular for the sessions. We are just removing them for, because it is a free of cost training, but they are not showing interest at this training. Sir, are you there? Hello, sir.
He's having some network issue, I think.
Yes, network issues or at power cut issues, I think so.
So ma'am has contacted with the candidates, sir, like old.
Yes, I think ma'am is contacting with them, or else ma'am is contacting the placement companies. I don't know, I just didn't ask her for ma'am till now, and I'm working on other updates. I think ma'am will inform me if she contacted any placement companies. She will inform me.
But there is a job guarantee, sir. From your
Yes, you will get the job, but you need to also perform in the interviews, no? We will arrange your interview and you have to perform in that. Totally not depends on us, no? You have to perform in the interviews and you have to answer the questions what they are asking. Did you get my point?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, if you are able to answer the questions what they are asking, then only you will get the job, no? We will arrange you the interviews. Everyone will be placed, but you need to perform in that. You have to perform.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, will you provide the demo from the old students who got placed?
Yeah. I'm also thinking about that. I will ask to ma'am. Okay, I will ask to ma'am, and whether the candidates are interested to join the session and to motivate you to give some points for the placements. We will let you know. Okay, we are planning for that.
First, we get the idea what type of questions they are
Yeah,
asking.
yes, yes, Pravalika, but I think they are not available, no, every time. They have already working in other companies, no. If they are available, according to their availability, we will arrange the session. This
Okay,
point also I will discuss with ma'am, okay, whether they are available, 2, 3, or 4, 5 candidates are available, we will arrange you the session.
okay, sir.
Or else I will arrange you the session with ma'am if you need it.
Okay, sir.
Okay.